I'm using the Hot Tool Gold Blowout Dryer Brush to dry and style my hair at the same time. What I like about this hot hair brush is it combines drying and volumizing in one simple step, which helps save time during my routine. As you can see, the brush glides smoothly throughout the hair and helps lift up the root while drying. The oval brush design makes it easy to create volume and shape, especially around the crown and ends. This brush has a Gold Technology, which is designed to distribute heat evenly and help with smooth styling results. I also find comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver even while working through different sections of my hair. This type of tool works well for everyday styling, whether you are getting ready for work, going out, or just want a polished look with less effort.